Short hair is easier to maintain. Myth or fact? Short hair often requires less time spent on styling, but maintenance needs can vary depending on the cut and individual hair texture. This first step involves identifying your hair type. Assessing your hair texture is crucial. Curly or coily short hair may need more frequent trims and product application than straight short hair. Consider the style of your short haircut. A very short pixie cut might demand less styling than a layered, textured bob. Washing frequency differs. Short hair tends to get greasy faster than longer hair, potentially requiring more frequent washing. Styling time is typically shorter for short hair. However, some short styles still require daily attention and product use. Product usage for short hair can be less, but specific products may be needed to achieve the desired look, e.g., pomade, wax. Trimming frequency can be important for short hair to maintain its shape and avoid looking unkempt. Regular trims are often necessary. The actual maintenance is subjective. A person's personal styling habits and commitment to upkeep ultimately influence the total time spent. So, easier to maintain is relative. The effort needed depends on factors like hair texture, style, and personal preference. In conclusion, while generally shorter hair can require less time, it doesn't automatically equate to easier. It's more about finding the right style for your hair type and commitment level.